Right. Hiya everyone. You's decided Martin was going to pick my outfit, so I'm showing you him in my wardrobe. I'll get this chair out of the way, shall I? So you can have a right good look in that wardrobe. Go on then.
It reminds me of what it used to look like trying to do a bit of a shop in Primark. This everywhere.
Oh no, what you picking? Remember, I've put a bit of weight on. I want smart boots. I need to be comfy.
You need to be comfy, do you?
Yeah.
Right.
It's not in any particular order.
Yeah, no shit.
I've had to dump all my sheet and my Temu bits and pieces down there. Where are we?
Ooh, a lot of choices, some nice dresses here.
Yeah? Do you like?
I do. Not for me personally, but
no?
Nah. I don't think I could see myself in one of these. I'll keep coming back to that one.
Oh, all right. Now, I haven't shown anyone that one yet. That's off Temu.
Oh, is it?
Yes, it's workwear.
Nice.
So
Yeah.
I got it given to me for work.
Right.
So are you happy with that one?
Yeah.
Will I wear, what tights will I wear?
Black, I think.
Black?
Yeah.
Okay, are you going to pick the boots in a minute?
Well, you can't go red tights, red boots or anything. You're going to look
God,
like Little
no.
Miss Bloody Riding.
No, definitely not. Do you know what? I'm really grateful you've picked that one. I was hoping you picked something nice and not something awful. Right, do you want to pick a cardigan?
A cardigan?
Yes.
Ooh.
Cardigans are kind of, well, you'll know. Get your arm out the way. You need to pick a cardigan. It's got to be a nice cardigan. Oh, it's going to be awful, isn't it?
Well, the problem is what's going to go with that.
I know.
I mean, again, what's singing out? It's that one.
The grey one. That's Temu again. Don't have much room in here to do this kind of stuff, do we?
We don't. We
right,
haven't
okay,
really
that's
planned
nice.
it. It's a bit ad hoc, isn't it?
It is a bit ad hoc. If you want to see more of these, we'll plan it a bit better. What do you think? Do you like that one? Not red cardigan, no?
Well, no, because like I say, you're going to look like
I'm going to look silly on that. Right, okay, I'll wear that then.
Right, so there's that from that.
Oh, God. With black tights.
Black tights? No.
Yeah. Now
do you want to wear boots?
I'm not bothered. Right, Martin, I'm going to take you. Just so you can see what's down there, what I see before I pick up on the morning. And the doll, the twins put the doll there. Right, what we're picking?
Ooh. Black, I think. Black again.
Boots. Yeah?
Yeah.
Which black
I reckon
boots?
Them.
The Timberland.
Yeah, because I did have a sneaky peek in here before.
Did you?
Yeah. See, I like your DMs.
I'm wondering if you want
DMs.
to January, or do you just want me to leave today to you?
Of course you can. Love it.
DMs.
DMs. Love
Perfect.
It, mate. Yeah, come with us.
Right, cool.
Yeah, happy?
Yes. You've picked a really good outfit. Right?
There you go.
So DMs are brilliant.
Yeah.
Martin, thank you.
You're welcome. I need to go and sort myself out now.
Right, go on then.
See you later.
What coat?
Eh? Well, you wore that one yesterday, didn't you?
Yeah,
So, you want to be warm, don't you?
I do. The coats are on the back of the door. Not that one.
Oh, that one.
Not that one.
The back.
Which coat? Sorry.
That one.
The black one, the long black. Right,
Long
okay.
black.
Right,
Yeah.
okay, cool.
Sorted.
Oh, I love you.
Love you too, darling. See you later.
See you in a bit. Hiya, everyone. Right, Martin's picked me outfit. I'm going to get ready. I'm not a massive fan of the cardigan, but... So he's picked these. And these, Dr. Martens. So here we go. And I'm going to do a quick look to go with it. Probably have to do some red lips. Should we go some red lips? Yeah, I think we should. Right, I hope this dress fits. I've not tried it before. This is from Temu, so it's me work stuff. So I get sent, just double checking there's nothing hanging out. I get sent outfits to do like work. So this is for work. I don't know if it fits. I haven't even tried it on for you yet. I know my boobies are going to be on show, which I'm not impressed about. Is it? Actually, I can tie it at the back. Yeah, I'll tie it that way. Let's hope this works. Ready? Oh God, I'm nervous. Oops, it's a bit. Oh, look at that. Oh, that's cute. Oh, that's quite cute. have to get the twins. Rachel, will you come and tie us in, please?
She's downstairs, I think.
Who's this? Michaela?
Yes.
I thought you heard.
No, she wants to like just do a little bow.
Yes, please.
She can make.
It's Michaela.
Hello, everyone. This is a nice dress.
Martin's picked it.
Love
He
it.
went in my wardrobe and picked it for us.
That's special, isn't it?
No, he loves us. He hasn't made us feel uncomfortable. I gave him a bit of a memo.
I'm just going to do a little bow just to make sure that doesn't come on tight like that.
Lovely,
All
thank
right.
you. Yeah,
Bow.
cool. It's not too, is
Looks
this the
nice.
right way, do you think?
It's the right way, yeah.
Is it?
It is, yeah. They both scored the back on them.
I feel very high up, doesn't it?
It does, yeah. I think I've got a dress that does that.
Quite cute though.
Mhm.
I like it.
I'll leave you to it.
Oh, thank you.
There you go.
You're getting ready too, are you?
Yes, I'm already done, really.
Are you? Brilliant.
Just covering my spots up. That's all
Why
I'm
not?
doing.
Why not? There we go. Isn't that? Yeah? Cool. Right, let's get me tights on. Black tights he's picked. He said no red tights with this dress. I've just had my hair washed and all, washed and dried quick. Because we're going to Newcastle and I want to look a little bit smarter than normal. I think this is right. This doesn't feel like the right hair type. Are they the right ones? They're very, no, I don't know. I think we are, you know. I think these are the tights I'm supposed to be wearing. Right. Just feel a little bit slack at the top. You know, when you're just not sure. Martin's gone off to get ready. I feel like these are like leggings. Do you know what I mean? But we'll see. It should be alright. I'll make this quick as well. We can get out. There we go. It's cute. And then for if I get cold, I actually like the brown one. But I'm going to dress like he said today. And he can't comment and say I don't look good because he picked it. Ooh, hey, it's not. I can't believe you put this outfit together in 5 seconds.
That's a man thing, isn't it?
And it's better than what I pick in like over half an hour.
That's because you chew on stuff too much.
Can't believe what he's done. Get the booties on. You're going to pick my makeup.
Hey?
You're going to pick my makeup. Is that for next week?
We'll do that another time.
Yeah?
Yeah. You nearly ready?
I hope you like it, Martin.
Cool as mustard, mate.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
Look at the dress.
Lovely, isn't it?
Yeah?
Yeah. Told you.
You did, didn't you? You're good at this type of stuff.
Thank you very much, Michaela.
Get in.
Get in.
Get in. Hang on, where am I? Woohoo! This is the quickest I've ever gotten ready. I can't believe it. It's nice letting someone else pick your outfit. I haven't had to worry. It's brilliant. I'm like, Michaela, Rachel, do you want to pick next time?
Yeah, sure. Yes,
Yeah?
I do.
Change it up a bit. I only ever go, I leave 2 at the top like this. We didn't get him to pick a bag, did we? Are you sure this dress is on the right way? Feels very funny around the neck. Yeah? Well, alright. Need a bubble, need a bubble. Have I got a plastic bubble? Where have I put it? You. There's one. Oh. Let's have a Neutrogena moment. 5 minutes in. No, 5 minutes and I'm already sorted. Okay. Neutrogena. Oops. It feels amazing today to not have to worry, honestly. I'll probably have to edit this one to stick it all together for you. Oh God, it feels so good. Oh, I feel alive. Lovely. Now, shall we do some sort of red lip? We could do like a terracotta. Oh, I think I've got just the thing. Maybe. Maybe that's a bit too red. Should we try? Right, okay. I'm going to leave that there a minute. That's the right colour. Okay. I don't want foundation today. I really don't. I don't want a foundation. I do want a bit of blush. Put a bit of that on. I'll mix in with all my stuff. Where's my brush? There we go. Like rosy cheeks. Look, I should put foundation on, shouldn't I? My skin's quite bad at the moment. It's because of the flushing. The flushing's so bad. That's lipstick. Flushing so bad, it's starting to like, it's not nice. Okay. I'm going to put whatever's on my brush left there. That's better. Just on this bit here. That's not bad, is it? Are you there? Are you trying to come in?
I'll be in a minute.
Alright.
Yes, please.
There, just cheers us up a bit. No. This is just like what's left on off yesterday. There, I'm happy with that. My eyebrows are happy.
Paint, are you?
Yes. I'm not doing much though.
What's my new hair ones?
Oh look,
Cool.
so I picked them grey. He gave us the money and he says go and pick. I'll trust
Something
you.
out the sale.
He likes his Adidas, don't you?
I do. What do you think?
Oh, I like that.
Cool as mustard, that,
You
isn't
do
it?
look like you go to a football match somehow.
You think?
I do feel like it looks like that. You look like a casual but not casual because I can see you going. So nice. What do you think? Do you like his coat?
Nice, that, isn't it?
He's lucky he suits all sorts.
So do you?
No, I used to. Are you just following my bags?
Yeah.
They're always in the way. Aren't they?
You'd
Oh.
put Primark out of business, you would, I tell you.
Who, me?
Yeah.
Why?
You could hold your own fashion show.
Good. It's an idea. Should we get people round to do a fashion show and we'll all take turns?
Absolutely.
Yeah? Put a bit of mascara on. I'm going to do my eyebrows. And then my lips. Oh, it's terrible, isn't he? It's always burping. It's disgusting. Absolutely disgusting. I think the lips is probably going to be too much. I don't know. What do you think? Might put some more mascara on in a minute when that sets a little. I really want a lot on my lip. You know what we need? We need some bronzer. I don't really have enough foundation on for bronzer, so let's try the new Infallible. It's not as bronze as bronzer. It's slightly lighter, so it might be a bit more forgiving. I just want a little bit of something here. Do you know what I mean? See what I mean? How it's done that. I want to do that with this side. And I want a little bit. this. I might water it down a bit. It's quite red, isn't it? I want it to look like strawberry. I'm still not sure this dress is on the right way. You know, you just have a funny feeling. I don't know. I've got a funny feeling. Got this mark to make this look like the lipstick's there, but it's not. Now I've got quite thin lips, so when you do wear red it can make them look a little bit thinner, but I'm not that bothered. I will kind of like, I need like a tissue. I've got a tough soft tissue. I don't want it like red. I want it kind of like, kind of blended out. Do you know what I mean? It's quite red. Put a bit more mascara on. Really lift the lashes right up. Sometimes, if you leave it too long, they've already set. But sometimes you can kind of, there we go, manipulate it a little bit if they're still a little bit damp. It's brilliant. You'll see what I mean. Push them right up. Happy days. So I should have a mat for me. I need a, where is it? I need one for the eyebrows. I don't know where I've put it. Put that in there. Not in there. Put it? Have I stuck it in here somewhere? Yes, I have. There it is. Do my brows just to give a bit of shape to them. Oh, hang on. Get rid of that. Here we go. Give a bit of shape. There we go. I might leave my hair up. Shall I do it up in a funny way? Oh no, I like it down. I like it down. I could do a brush in it, couldn't I? Oh, I love the feeling of it. I've just washed it with Caratis and it's in really good condition. And I use that as well. I don't condition at the moment because it makes it greasier than normal. So I've just been doing the Caratis shampoo and then I'll run that through my ends. And then just hair dryer. I don't straighten it or anything, no other things. Really impressed with that. I think that I'm done. I'm done. Martin, what do you think? I'm done.
Gorgeous.
Yes, you haven't even looked properly.
Gorgeous.
All right.
Let's go.
Okay. Hope you have a lovely day. I shall see you all in a bit. Zoom, zoom.